Hi friends, back here with another DIY for you guys. I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy face shield mask, if I'm saying it right. Using paper protector, and you see my chain right here, I have my pendant on it, using the same suede string I have here. You could use another option of using the elastic string and cords, but I just want to make it quick and easy, especially if you're on the go and you don't have time to wait. So I'm going to show you that real quick. So basically you're going to take the protector, the paper protector, found this at the Dollar store, and all you're going to do is take some string, put it right through, looping it right through, real quickly, looping it right through, right? It's really simple. And of course you're going to cut these slits off, this slit off, just, you know, you keep it if you want, but just going to take it right off. And all you're going to do is this. Oh, but first let me show you, because people are so keen. This is the mask. Alright, your regular mask. It's just another added protection. So you have your mask, right? Right? See the string? Tie that bad boy right on. And voila! Shield protector mask. DIY. Quick for you guys. Real simple. Kind of foggy under here, guys. Whew! So let me show you, see? I just took the string and I tied it. Right here. Where is it? Right here. See the string and tie it right here. And that's it. Take it off. And that's it. Using a Dollar Tree, or any dollar store, paper protector used for notebooks. And that was it. The string is really strong. I found this at a fabric store. I could take this mask off now. Whew. That's the thing about these masks, I'm not going to lie to you guys. Oh my God. Whew. To breathe with them. And this one has a filter, and I still feel like I'm suffocating. But the suede, it's a suede sturdy string cord. You could use that. Or you could use anything. You could use elastic string or the same strip, elastic stretchable string.